Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends, and I'm going to show you what I got for this week's HelloFresh. Here we go. Okay, so we have this is bodega inspired beef burgers. Oh, I was dying for just a beef burgers. The last HelloFresh order that we did order turkey burger, and I wasn't a fan of the turkey burgers, but this beef burger looks good, and that's what I'm wanting. And this is with Herbie cream cheese and potato wedges. Haha. And as I said before, my friends, I'm not the one that orders the HelloFresh. So when it comes, I get to see it the same time that you're seeing it. So it's a little bit of a surprise to me. Now this is 30 to 40 minutes dinner. Not so bad. They make a good burger. Their sauces that they use on their burgers are pretty amazing. So I'm looking forward to beef burgers. And of course they give a highlight of what's happening. Another name for allium is scallion. Okay, and sometimes they do give you the calories that's in this meal, but I guess they didn't this time. Yep, so that's one. And then we have this one, and this one is soya maple and ginger glazed pork chops with stir-fried vegetables. That looks good. It's a 30 minutes meal, my friends. This is what it looks like. I love pork chops, but I guess you don't get rice with this one, even though they show a rice next to it. Huh. Looks good, looks good, looks good. And they talk a little bit about the ginger in the highlight here. I love it. And as I said, 30 minutes meal. Oh, look at my white hand. Okay, and so the next one we have is shawarma spiced chicken bowl with lemony roasted potatoes. Oh, I like a lemony roasted potatoes. And the ethnic based foods are pretty tasty, my friends. They're really trying. And right here they give a little spin on South Asian food. They've been doing that with a lot of their foods. They just give a little spin on their ethnic foods, and they're pretty tasty. Like, they do a very good job of, you know what I mean, somebody from that particular region of the country will probably say, no, that's not authentic. But, you know what I mean, it's just nice to taste different things from around the world. So this is why I'm glad that when my daughters are ordering, they're ordering something from a different country or something that we're not used to. This is a 25 minutes meal, and they give a little highlight of what's in the spice blend, and it always gives you suggestion of other meats that you can use or vegetables you can use if you're allergic to something, or you know what I mean, or can't eat some sort of meat because of religion purposes. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. This is what everything looks like. So here are my stuff, nicely packaged, my friends. Just like that. Nice, nice, nice. And then at the bottom, they have all the meats nicely packed on ice. Chicken, lean ground beef, pork chop, nicely packed on ice. And as I said before, 100% water that they use for the ice packs, and then the box are recyclable. I'm gonna do what I normally do and put these away. Thank you for watching, my friends. This is HelloFresh What's for Dinner.